Gonna get full, guys. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a product review for trikarods. Have it over here. I'm using this 3X series spinning rod, 7.3 medium heavy fast action. And man, this rod weighed 4.3 ounces. That is super light. I've taken this rod to the jetties multiple times. Perfect for casting lures, spoons, live bait, mullet, shrimp, you name it. I've caught redfish, black drum using this rod. It has a nice backbone to handle big fish, and it's really sensitive to feel every single bite. With that said, I'll let the video do the talking so you guys can see how to handle big fish. We're using this Trika 3X. It's a medium heavy power fast action. We're using a hardliner rig. We started with the mullet, but the mullet's not working. My buddy John over here gave me live shrimp. With that said, instant we hook a 29-inch redfish. Already. God damn.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh yeah. What do we got, guys? Oh, he's gonna take it to the rod. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Well, look at that rod. Sheesh. It's a big fish, so I'm gonna take my time on this. Oh no, it's right there on top. Is that a red or blue drum?
I don't know. I can't see it. Where's it at?
Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up.
Over there in the middle hole.
Yeah. Oh, it's a red. Yeah. Get in that hole.
The next way.
There you go. Shoo! Thank you. Watch out for your pole. Got it. Ah. Man, look at that. I have them freaking mullet all day, nothing. Take it to John the Legend, giving me a freaking shrimp. Shoo! Ah, awesome.
It's oversized.
Yeah, it's pretty too big. He ate that hook. Oh yeah, he did. It was inside of.
Got another hook in him?
No. Not.
Ah, damn.
It's gonna be over probably.
No,
It's
no.
it's
Pinch
bare.
the tail, you gotta pinch the tail.
It's barely. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, shit. Just like the other one that I let go.
So, here's what we got, guys. We got a dead shrimp over here. Well, it was live, but it died now. Carlina rig, 2.0 Kale hook, and we're using this Trikarod 3X. Cast it over there in the middle, let it drip, and we'll catch a fish. What is this? Small. Something small. Is that a bigger perch? Oh, look at that. The baby. Baby red. Here you go, John. Baby red. Nah. If it is, it's small. Shoo! Oh, not a good size. Been catching it over here. Oh, got hit. There's a nibble. Oh yeah. And small. There's a lot of head shake. What is this? Might be small.
Let the wave pull it up on the rocks.
All right. Ah! Hey, hey! Thank you. Shoo! They are down there.
They're thick.
Thank you, thank you. That's a nice keeper size. Look at this, guys. Whew. That's a keeper. We don't even have not even gonna measure it. We'll get pictures later. That's a jack. Yeah. Dang, this rock is gonna get me. No!
There's so many people getting stuck up in that rock.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Oh shit, that's gold. Get away, get away, get away. Ah, he got me on the freaking thing.
Right there, you got to get.
Yeah, I think it's still good. Oh yeah, he came up. What the? Come up, come up. Yeah, he's coming up. Oh, there you go. Don't come back. Hold it. There you go. Woo. Shoo. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And not too bad, huh? Shee. Uh-oh. Gotta get spool, guys. I don't know, man. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. He's circling around. Sorry, bro. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, hell no. Ah, I knew it. Got caught up on the rocks.
Got a jack?
No, it's a big red. Yeah, it took me all the way around. They always go to the freaking rock. They always go to the freaking rock. Dude, it was right there.